This is Mike with my leftover fireworks stash. Got the red croissant pound rocket. Still haven't popped these neon black cat sparklers. I normally don't keep artillery shells, but I got two of the festival ball ones. These are pretty powerful. These poppers. Two of these smokes. Bunch of these ground balloons. Still have a whole box, a 6-pack of mint little mags. Tied up Roman candles. Smoke balls, bullet, firecrackers. Starlight bang candle. Broken rocket. Jumping jacks. Hammer crackers. More bullets. Black cats. More jumping jacks. Black cat mini pearl. Collar pearl bang. Three of those left. And that's it. Hope you all had a happy New Year. See you on my 4th of July, before the 4th of July stash. Later.